Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mix emoji. Creating unique emoji combinations is a fun and easy way to express yourself. You can blend two existing emojis into a brand new one, adding a personal touch to your messages. This simple method allows for thousands of creative possibilities, making your conversations more engaging and expressive. To begin, open any messaging app that supports this feature, like Google Messages or Gboard. Bring up your keyboard and tap on the emoji icon, usually found near the spacebar. Once in the emoji panel, you will typically see a special section or suggestion area dedicated to emoji mixing. This is where the magic happens. Now, simply pick your first emoji. For example, choose a smiling face. Then, select a second emoji, perhaps a ghost. The system will automatically combine them, showing a new, unique emoji in the suggestion bar above your keyboard. You can experiment with countless pairs to see what fun combinations you can create. Once you see a mixed emoji you like, simply tap on it to insert it directly into your message. It will appear as a sticker or image, ready to be sent. Share your creative combinations with friends and family, adding a unique flair to your conversations. There are literally thousands of combinations to explore, making every chat more exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.